Welcome to ICSE Help YouTube channel. Today topic is periodic table for ICSE class 10 chemistry. Periodic table is the first chapter in ICSE class 10 chemistry. Periodic table. You know that 118 element has been discovered till now. 118 element has been discovered till now. So, how can you study all these elements one by one? It is not possible for a single person or single student or single teacher to study all these elements one by one. So, how can you easy way? What are the easy way to study the element so that without teaching, without reading all elements, you can guess the element property. This is the way. Then element were classified and classification came into existence. Classification of element. Classification of element. What is classification? For easy study, to understand the properties of element, it is classified into group and period having same chemical property. For easy study, element have been grouped. Many scientists have tried to classify the element one by one, and their achievement has been given. First of all, Dove-Reiner triad rule. The Dove-Reiner arranged the element according to their atomic mass. And told that every element is the lump sum average of other two elements. If he arrange the element A, B and C according to their atomic mass, then the mass of B will be mass of A plus mass of C upon 2. It is fitted only for some element but not fitted in higher elements. So this rule become fail, and now the Newland octet rule. Newland has tried to group the element into order of atomic mass and told that every earth element has the same property of first element, like musical system. If he told the first element, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth element, and after this first element is also, ninth element is also has same properties to the first element. What is the periodic law? The periodic law. According to periodic law, the properties of element according to their atomic mass. Although it is wrong, but the periodic law, it is old periodic law, that the properties of element, physical and chemical properties of element depend according to their atomic mass. According to atomic mass, and then Mendeleev prepared first time periodic table by grouping into the period and group. First time Mendeleev prepared the periodic table. This periodic table has some properties that there were some part blank, and he guessed that this would be discovered after some time, and they also guessed the properties of that element. But there were some faultage. The less atomic mass element has been placed at higher position, while higher atomic mass element has been placed to lower position, and so this periodic law has been also flopped and it is not in use after some time. Then what is the way? How can we organize the element to study the systematic properties? After that, the Moseley first time discovered the atomic number and told that properties of element are according to their atomic number. First of all, Moseley first time discovered the atomic number and told that the atomic number has more fundamental properties, more fundamental properties than atomic mass. He told that atomic number is the more fundamental property for element, and according to Moseley rule, new periodic table has been established known as Bohr-Bury or modern form of periodic table. And this modern form periodic table has 14 group and 7th period. These are group first A, and then second A, and then third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B, eighth B, and after that third A, fourth A to eighth group. The first group is also known as alkali metal, and the second group is known as alkali earth metal, while the eighth group is known as zero group, or it is also known as inert gas, and just before the eighth group, the seventh group is known as halogen. So the long form of periodic table has been published by Bohr-Bury according to the Moseley rule that atomic number is more fundamental property than the atomic mass. He also put the some element outside the table. This is known as a block, lanthanide. This is known as lanthanide, and this known as actinide. This is the period, first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period, and seventh period. There were 7 periods, horizontal, and 18 vertical column known as group in modern form of periodic table. But there were also some faultage. What are the faultage? The number one faultage, that the place of hydrogen is not defined. Hydrogen is fitted in alkali metal and also fitted in halogen according to their rule, because hydrogen has only one electron in their valence shell, and according to rule of alkali metal, all the element has one electron in their valence shell, and according to rule of halogen, all the element has one less electron than inert gas configuration, and hydrogen also has one less electron than nearest inert gas configuration, helium. So the place of hydrogen is not certain. And the second fault of this modern periodic table, that lanthanide and actinide is not fitted in the table, it is fitted outside the table. It is also a fault, but it is certain valuable, and it is supposed by all the chemistry scientists this modern form of periodic table, because it is depend on Moseley rule that atomic number is the most fundamental property. In the second video, we will discuss about the periodic properties of ionization potential, electron affinity, electronegativity, atomic size, and many other periodic properties in our second video. So this video has been published only for introduction of periodic table, and wait for second video. Thank you.